Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save location on Google Maps. So at first, just go to the Google Maps app. Make sure the app is updated. Now you can select the place that you want to save in the Google Maps, just like zooming it like this and clicking on the place that you want to save. Or you can just select the place from the top search bar, just searching it. Just search for the place. After searching, here you can see in the middle here save option. Click on the save. After clicking it, here you can see you can save it to a new list, or you can save it to your favorite place and the place that you want to go, or travel plans and started places. I'm just making a new list. Now just give a name to the list. Here you can select the list type, just like private, shared and public. I'm just making it for me, so I'm giving it private. After making the list, just click on the top right create option. Now the location is saved. If you want to see the location, just go back, and here you can see in the bottom here saved option, click on it. Now here you can see your list option here, and the very first one is capital that I saved just now. By clicking it, I will see the location that I saved. So guys, that's how you can save location on Google Maps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.